Let's now look at how we can calculate the error function in TensorFlow. And what we get with the tf.math.erf is the element-wise values for the Gaussian error function with a mean of 0 that would have a mean of 0 and a variance of square root of 2. For this, we'll first create a tensor tf.constant, and let's say this has values 1, 2, and 3. And to get the error function values, we type tf.math.erf and we input the values of x. Then we are going to print the values of z. And so this is the output, which are the values from the error function. We can also try the same method with a two-dimensional tensor. So let's add another row of values to the same tensor that we had above. I'm going to copy this and paste it here. Let's say this is 1.2, this is 3.6, and now when we run this, we get the values that are element-wise values for the error function. Similar, while we are talking about the error function, we can also look at the inverse of it. So tf.math.erf inverse. So this computes the inverse of the error function, and the method is the same. Let's say we define the value of x, which is this, and then we use the tf.math.erfinv to calculate the inverse of the error function, and that gives us well, in this case this gives us the infinity values. Why don't we change these values are much too large. Let's change this to maybe 0.1 and then change 0.1 should be fine. Let's change this to 0.2 and change this to 0.3. And now when we run this, we get these values that are the values inverse values for the error function. We can also, let's say we try these values that we have. So I'm going to put them here and put commas. So these are the values, and when we run this, we get the values. So this is almost 1, this is almost 2, and this is almost 3, and those are the values that we had started with. So this is how we can calculate the error function and inverse of error function in TensorFlow. Please like, share, and subscribe. I hope to see you all in the next video. Thank you.